Are you ready to take your taste buds on a journey to Thailand? In this video, I'll show you how to make delicious Thai tofu satay with a creamy peanut sauce that will leave you wanting more. So to make the tofu skewers, we'll need 400 grams of firm tofu, 100 grams of mushroom, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, half a cup of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, Thai red curry paste, and some skewers. First, we're gonna soak the skewer in room temp water for 10 minutes. This is to prevent them from burning when we are baking them in the oven. Now to a bowl, add together the peanut butter, soy sauce, coconut milk, maple syrup, and Thai red curry paste to make the marinade. Whisk together and set aside. Cut your tofu into equal-sized pieces. Cut your mushrooms into quarters. I'm using white mini mushroom, but also you can use other type of mushroom. Add the mushroom and tofu into the marinade bowl. Mix well and let marinate for 10 minutes. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. This is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After that, skewer your tofu and mushroom and use about 4 to 5 pieces for a skewer. This makes about 18 to 20 skewers. Bake the tofu skewers in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway. Meanwhile, we are gonna make the sauce, which uses 2/3 cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of Thai red curry paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a cup of water, 1 teaspoon each of minced garlic and ginger, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Add all the sauce ingredients into a pot. Whisk it together. Bring to a boil and simmer on low heat until the sauce thickens and turns absolutely gorgeous. Assemble the baked tofu skewer with a bowl of rice. Add plenty of the luscious creamy peanut sauce on top. Finally, sprinkle with some scallions and sesame seeds and enjoy. Trust me when I tell you that these Thai tofu skewers are so rich and delicious. They will surely impress your guests. It's perfect for a weeknight dinner or to take with you to a food party or barbecue. I have had so many positive reviews for this recipe and people who are making it on a weekly rotation. As always, the link to the full recipe is in the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!